Hi guys, it's me Rose here doing another shoe review for you guys today at Shoes of Hollywood. Just letting you know that we are open today, so we do have a full shop. So it's been a bit tricky to get all the reviews done for you guys, but we have found this perfect spot outside. It is a little bit windy, so I'm just going to say, you know, I'm going to get this done as quick as I can and then do a little walk, and then we might put some music over the walk this time because it is a bit windy. So other than that, we've got a perfect spot. So I'm going to do the review for these are Delight-609SP for snake print. These are going to be a hit. So there we go, just get a little close up of that. And then, as always, they come in your really beautiful black and red carry box with the little butterflies on it, which is my favourite. The little protective travel case bag for your shoes that keeps them nice and protected and clean. And then always you have your protective casing on these as well, and your little smushy things in there to keep them nice and good. As you can see there, they are the red snake prints. Now these are a 6-inch heel. I'm just going to take those out. So there we have it. We have done the blue ones and these ones before, so if you want to go back to our archives and have a look at the blue ones, you can see what they look like, but these are the red ones today, obviously. So yeah, 6-inch heels. They're a nice shiny finish black for the platform and heel. They've got the really nice soft squishy insole that are really comfortable on your feet. And then you have that gorgeous red and black snake print for the top of your platform and your adjustable ankle strap. And yeah, and underneath it you've got the black finish. Really, really grippy bottoms, which I love, and that nice lip there that doesn't get caught as much as they used to. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous. I love that snake print. It's really realistic. It's not like some other tacky designs that you can get, but these are really, really good. I love them. So we're going to give these a little try on. I'm going to walk up the stairs for you, have a little walk. So yeah, we'll get this going. So yeah, make sure you know that there is blue ones in these. But my favourite are obviously the red ones. That's why they've been chosen for me today. And as already got that nice little, well, this is not a silver chrome buckle, this is more of like a smoky kind of buckle, which is pretty cool. So as always, they've got different adjustments to what you prefer with that ankle strap. As everyone knows, Rose is an ankle strap girl. So there's that one. I have to get these done quick because I think I'm getting bitten. Oh. Alright, let's slip this other one on. Oh, there you can see a little mozzie there. If it's not the heat, it's the mosquitoes here in Australia. So we'll just... Okay. Alright, now that they're on, firstly I'm going to take these upstairs for you for a little walk, because sometimes you are going to come into a position where you come across stairs with these heels on. So the best way to do it is you always hold on to the railing, and instead of going straight up like this, because that's when you will hit the front of your shoe and the lip, and the back of your heel will fall down. So the best way to do, hold on and go sideways like this. So you've always got that full step and that support. And there you go. And you always make it to the top safely. Yep, that's just the train saying g'day. So there we go. I like these shoes, they're a really cool design. Ooh, and the sun. I'll show you. Oh, gotta get that out of that sun. There, can you see that a little bit? There you go. Trying to give you as much sun as I possibly can. You can see what I mean there with that snake skin, and it's almost like you've just got a snake and you've wrapped around your shoe, which is my style. So, right, as I said, hands on rails, down sideways, and it looks more elegant that way anyway. So I'm going to continue walking now. So I won't be able to do much talking with this one because of the wind, So music will probably start from here on out. But yeah, let's have a go. Oh, we got some sunshine, so you get to see them sparkle. All right. Oh, that wind's beautiful though. We definitely need some of that. Okay, so there we have it. Undo these ones. I'm flying away. So there we have it. I really hope you enjoyed this outdoor review. Let me know what you think. Make sure you like and comment. Make sure you like and subscribe and tick the little bell up on the corner and tell me what you think in the comments because I read them and I listen. Alright, see you all next time. Bye.